Okay folks, welcome to the personal property review for Leven Beech Park in Leven. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property, very spacious inside, ready to move in, garage to the side, driveway at the side, fantastic back garden, sits in the sun all day long. Let me take you on the tour. Now I think the great thing I love about Beech Park, it's in a cul-de-sac. Basically you come in, you go all the way around and you go back out. So you're only coming here if you live here or you're visiting someone here. As I said, you've got the driveway at the side, you've got the garage up to the rear. It does have a workshop area to the rear, you can get access from the garden as well, but we're going to go out there and see that at the end. But a beautiful front garden, nicely laid out. Fantastic neighbours as well, by the way. I know this area very well. We're going to look upstairs first of all. We've got 2 double bedrooms up here, we've got a WC as well. What I like is potential, if you want to convert this and maybe put a shower in here, there is an opportunity to do this. You could maybe take a bit from here, or you could possibly look at this bit here as we come in, because there's a big space in there, so you can maybe take that out a bit and take a bit in here as well. Just depends what you want to do. You maybe just want to leave it as it is, but you never know. You have that opportunity to do it. As I said, the one thing it's got, plenty of storage in all the rooms, all the way throughout. So this is the first of the double bedrooms. So as you'll see, you've got the wardrobe over there. Plenty of natural light coming in. As we go round. And then over into the next one. This is that big, massive bedroom. So wait till I just go all the way around here. Now you're seeing the first storage cupboard over there. And then the other side of the window. Another one. Easily get a dressing table in there. Still got plenty of room for a bed. You can see where it's marked out. See that? I'm going to pull back and it's a tiny wee space in comparison to the size of the room. Hence the reason I said maybe a shower over in that bit if you can take it in. And then you've got a wardrobe built in there as well. So you've got plenty of storage in here overall. Now as we walk back down the stairs, let's have a wee look in here. Okay, bathroom downstairs. You can see the WC and the sink can set into the vanity unit and the bath with the shower overhead. I like that tile floor. Okay, out to my left hand side here, we've got the final double bedroom. Again, you've got the same thing about the built-in cupboards. You didn't get houses like this anymore. Big space as it goes all the way around here. So you can get a double bed right across there, you can get it coming down here as well, and you've still got all this space in here. And then you've got your wardrobe over there as well. Understairs storage in this cupboard. This is this big living room open plan into the dining area. If you want, now you've got a dining kitchen, but it's this, just to give you an idea about the space, there's a beam that goes across there. See that? So there's a dining area potentially to the rear, or whatever you want to use it as, and then you've got your living room area to the front here. Like that marble fireplace. So potential. Maybe you want to change it about, come in through there, separate this off, and then possibly maybe put a door in here and open this right up to have the kitchen come all the way back into here, open plan. And so you've got a big area in here. I don't know. It depends what you see in it for yourself. But there is lots of potential. But as it is, it's a fantastic family home. And then off into the dining kitchen. So extended to the rear. Big space. Easily get a dining table and chairs in there. Now as we come round, you've got a fridge and freezer, you've got the double oven, you've got a washing machine in that cupboard there, and you can get a dishwasher in there as well. And you've got your 1.5 bowl sink, you've got your hob and your extractor above. But plenty of worktop space here, all the way round, as you'll see. And then another space over there, as I said, for a dining table and chairs, if that's what you're looking for. And then out the back garden. I love this back garden. I'm going to stay quiet for a wee while. Probably picking up the birds from the glen. So Leven Glen's right next door at the back of here. So nice and peaceful and quiet. This is perfectly positioned. You'll see when I talk about the sun where it goes up and comes down. But this is an elevated patio area to the rear here, and it literally is the best sun trap ever. Look at it, it's all protected from the elements in that bush. Remember, it needs a bit of trimming back, but it could be perfect. And then they've got the sunroom over there as well. There's the access into the garage to the rear. Fantastic, isn't it? See what I mean? About this raised area and this sun trap. Now, I live next door to Leven Glen as well, and what I love about it is the fact that you get things like squirrels and that. It's fantastic for the children as they were growing up, just to see the wildlife and the different types of birds. But nice and private. That's what I like about this. And a big garden. Nice and closed, gate to the side. There's no access onto this side over there, so it's nice and closed. You've got pets as well. You can let them out the back garden and enjoy themselves, run about and play. Brilliant, isn't it? So, the sun. We're sitting at 3 o'clock. Here we are here. Sun's right there. So literally 12 south facing's about here. So this is right in the side of the garden. The sun's going to come up over here, and it's going to travel. It's high enough. It's going to go there. It's going to travel all the way around, and it's going to go down somewhere over there. So that's why that's the perfect sun trap. That's why that's the perfect sun trap as well. So you can take your choice. Nice sunny day, a bit drizzly, just pop into the sun house. That's all you need to do. And you've got the patio doors to the side there, coming off the back of the dining room area to the living room. Okay, so let's just take a seat for a minute and recap. I'm going to savour this moment. I love sitting in gardens like this. And then we'll just finish off. If you don't know the Levenmouth area, let me talk to you about it a wee bit. This has got easy access to the high street. You can just walk down across the road and into Wagon Road area. So right down Wagon Road, you'll get into the top of the high street. You can get right down to the swimming pool down the bottom of the high street and the bus station as well. At the back of the swimming pool, you've got the train station, which is due in June 2024. Round the corner from that, you've got the retail park, which is the Sainsbury's. And then you've got Home Bargains, you've got B&Q, and you've got all other bits on your places on your doorstep as well. High Street is fantastic as well. Now, right along the front from the train station and the swimming pool, you've got the Fife Coastal Path that runs by it, and goes right along the front, and golden sandy beaches. And then get to the end of there, you get the Leven links along the prom, and you've got access into the Leven links golf course. The Thistle Golf Club and the Leven golfing site as well. They both play that course. It's next door to London Links Golf Club as well, and you've got the Municipal Golf Club over just close by as well. Local cafes, bistros and restaurants. Probably one of the best one for here is Agenda, just down the road. Spent a lot of times there in my youth and today as well. Fantastic restaurant, fantastic local pub as well. Great family atmosphere, and then you can get into the high street and there's more pubs and restaurants there as well. Okay, there's further details on this post if you want to click on the link above or below for the pictures and descriptions, and you can read all that. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01 333 421 774. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.